Hi everyone, welcome to Allison Attempts. Today I am attempting to make sweet s'more seashells. I practiced that so many times and I still can barely say it. So I was at the dollar store a few weeks ago, just walking around their summer aisles, looking for inspiration for like cute summer projects, crafts, activities, whatever, decorations. And I found this, it's a seashell silicone mold. So I'm going to be making truffles today. And all I'm doing to start is coating these with chocolate. All I did was melt chocolate chips in the microwave. It was a little thick, so I added some coconut oil to try to thin it out a little bit because I want it to like mold to the ridges and everything so you can tell that it's actually a seashell. I'm kind of following a recipe for inspiration and then I'm kind of making this up as I go. So we'll see what happens. Like I've never used a silicone mold before to make anything, so I'm excited to try it. Trying to like tap out air bubbles and get this in. I have a brand new clean paintbrush that I'm gonna use to try to get, like make sure we get the ridges. Okay, so now I'm gonna stick this in the freezer, wait till my shells harden and add my filling. So I'm gonna make our filling. So I don't have a food processor, and I know you can do like a rolling pin. It's the wrong end, I think. But I have this homemade mortar and pestle here, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to use it. So we're gonna use this to smash up our graham crackers into a powder. And to that, we are adding cream cheese. I was walking around Dollar Tree and I saw the seashell thing. And then I was trying to figure out what I could do with it. And I decided to make like truffles or candy. So I was trying to think like what kind of candy kind of thing would be cool with a seashell. And then I was like, sand. So then I was like, okay, I need like crushed graham cracker on top would look cute. I don't really know how it morphed into me thinking of s'mores, but that's where I went. So anyway, I found a recipe for s'mores, truffles, that I'm adapting a little bit. I'm not quite using the recipe as written. So we're gonna see what happens. I've never worked with marshmallow fluff before. I don't think I've even eaten marshmallow fluff before. We're not gonna measure, we're just gonna mix. The recipe was a little different than I was expecting because it has like cream cheese and marshmallow fluff in it. So I'm thinking maybe like a cheesecake kind of s'more truffle. I don't know. And then the original recipe also has like mini marshmallows in it that I'm not doing just because the size of my molds are pretty small and I didn't think I would have room for all of it. So I have our frozen shells, our mold. Now I'm gonna fill these, just like press it in. I can't do too much because like I said, these are small and I need to be able to like leave room on top for the chocolate. Part 2 done, going back in the freezer for just a few minutes while I remelt our chocolate. Okay, so I pulled these out of the freezer and now all I'm doing is adding my little top coat of chocolate. And a lot of these, I did not leave like enough room, so they're overflowing, which is gonna probably be a problem when I try to get them out. I'm like trying to scrape around the edge so I get like that neat shell, but I can't see where that is. I'm having a hard time. We'll put it back in the freezer to let it harden, and then by some miracle, we'll get it out. I'm gonna add some graham cracker crumbs a little bit to the bottom. I wasn't planning on doing the bottom, but I'm experimenting, so why not? Final step, they came out of the freezer, they are frozen, and fingers crossed that they just pop out super easy. I don't know how to do this. I don't want to like break the chocolate by pushing. Oh, that one came out all in one piece. This one, ooh, two. I thought about maybe spraying the silicone before I put the chocolate in there, but then I was like, it won't stay on the edges then, you know? So I didn't, and I am pleased to announce that this is working. Last two. Last one, let's go. Batting 1,000. Yes. Okay. You can like see, like See the seashell, the ridges, it looks good. We have our sand on the bottom. Okay, so I melted some chocolate because I want to add that sand effect to the top. But I need to get my graham cracker ready first. I've caught the attention of all the dogs by opening that package. I added some extra coconut oil to the chocolate when I just remelted it because I want it to be really thin and like keep the ridges. Yes. Woo, okay, this is working. I wasn't sure. I really wasn't, but it is. It's looking good, I think. And then maybe I'll leave like a couple like with a little bit less sand or maybe no sand. I don't know. We can have a variety. That way you can like really see the shell. See, some of them, because they were overfilled, so I have like a little like edge around the shell, which is okay. I'm not mad about that. You can try to take it off, but like really it's not bothering me. Although that did come off really easily, so cool. And you could like make a super cool display with this. Like it's so creative. I think I will call that good. My name's Allison. This week I attempted to make sweet s'more seashells. First try. And I succeeded. These are super cool. I can't wait to eat them. Oh my gosh, I haven't even tried them yet. Okay, we have to try one. Let's see how it is. That is really good. Like really, really good. I think I could probably even tell that it was a s'more, even if I didn't know what it was. You know what I mean? Like, I think the flavors are pretty spot on. And this worked out so well. Super easy, super cheap, super fun, cool for summer, family, just something I do. My name's Allison. This week I attempted to make sweet s'more seashells. What are you gonna attempt? I'm gonna attempt to not eat them all right now.